Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm actually gonna go back into some vlogs to change it up, or actually bring it back to what it was originally, because it seems like everybody's Doordash vlogging now. I've seen, like, in the last week, I've seen probably like 4 or 5 different channels being suggested just for people talking while door dashing. So I might as well join the club. And I'm already being a DoorDash clown because I decided to pick up a McDonald's order. I'm already late. Pick up at 4:39, it's 4:46. I'm stuck in this line. I think there's 3 cars in front of me. So, oh well. Man, look at this shit.
Bruh.
She straight handed it to me and it ripped along the way, and she wasn't even kind enough to give me a piece of tape. Come on, McDonald's. All right, 3 deliveries in. I'm at $25.25. Also, I actually got a $20 cash tip from the pizza. So, yes sir. But now it is super slow. This is actually a very slow Friday shift. This is the hotspots around me, and I am not gonna be. Oh, look at that! Nice. But I'm not gonna do it. It's 10 miles, $17.25. So that means it's gonna end up in Beverly Hills, and then not only that, I'm gonna have to drive 10 miles back. If I was ending my shift, I would take this because of the gamble, because it is 18 items. But I don't know if those 18 items are like, little slices of pita bread and stuff. So I'm not gonna take this one. Just a quick 2-hour update. It's 6:43 right now, and we are at $49.75. That's without the $20 cash tip. I'm doing an $11 order. That's gonna be for like 2 miles. So let's keep this show going, baby. By the way, look at the gas price right there, $3.65 for basic gas. Unbelievable. So somehow I got taken to downtown LA, and I'm not even exaggerating. We are like in the middle of downtown LA right now. And I had to literally run almost a half block. I had to park right here and then run over there, get the order, which thankfully was ready. And by the way, it's 30 minutes past due, which is gonna make me look bad, which is great. But the reason I took it was because, as you'll see on the video to my right, it's actually going back to my zone. So I took it. But my idiot ass forgot that if you ever go to downtown, expect to run a lot. And my calves have never felt this much of a workout since COVID started. So, let's go. This is probably the only downtime I have all night. And I think, personally, when I'm counting my totals at the end of this, I have an $18 stacked order that's going probably 4 miles. 4 miles east, so that's not really going to keep me in my zone. And after that, it'll be 8:30. What the hell was that noise? But, personally, I think this is going to be the end of the night. My goal is 150, but I won't be too far off from that. I'm not too sure, but we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube in the meantime. Alright, so the last order has been done. I am clocked out. 41.7 miles later. Starting at 4:30, ending at 8:30. I cannot believe it. Including my $20 cash tip, I ended up making $146. Woo! Can you believe that? Damn! What a shift. I mean, Fridays, they're always good, but it seemed like tonight was just going crazy. I did not have any moments to breathe until 8 o'clock. And then both pizza orders were actually more than what was shown. I'll pull it up right here, right next to me. So my earnings shot up. I was at 117, I believe, and now I'm way more than that, I tell you that. So I'm pretty ecstatic after tonight's shift. That's all I got for today's ride along anyways. I'm gonna go get some food. Doing the calculations, I think it's over $30 per hour. 4 hours, 146. Over $30, yeah. I'll pull up the math too. I'll cover my face. But anyways, if you like this type of content, let me know. My goal is actually 400 in 3 days, so I'm already really close to that goal. And I'm gonna post that video on Sunday night because I'm gonna add up the whole weekend and see how much I can make this weekend. 3 days only. But anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Keep an eye out for these daily uploads. Peace!